An analysis on high-utility mining in privacy. Preserving using data mining. Abstract. The complete psychoanalysis of data mining among big data is, along with the assessment of its relevance during the stage of its life cycle, resolves not merely to advantage researcher, to grow burly, explore a theme and categorize gap in the meadow, except also assist practitioners for data mining relevance scheme development. Data mining is clarified in this paper briefly with their topics, and the main goal of high-utility item set mining is to recognize the item sets and the value of a given utility threshold. The data mining, high-utility item set mining is emerged as new research for analysis in the market, stock souk prediction, and for many applications that can be more recommended. Moreover, the main objective is considering the base on which the highest item sets identify in utilities to get more profit, quantity, and other cost preferences. First, we represent the backdrop of the utility mining and data mining in privacy preserves utility mining, then finally the other preliminaries problems of utility mining. This paper can give a general idea of new and hastily emerging privacy of research preserving in utility mining. Keywords: utility mining, privacy preserving, sensitive hiding, privacy preserving utility mining, decision rule mining. Introduction. The enormous application of data mining technology has raised concern regarding secure information in opposition to the unauthorized right of entry. This could serve the main important objective of database safety and solitude. The data are distributed with the most essential significance of privacy and security. Some of the information is hiding from the public that we don't reveal, due the term of privacy associated with this data mining task. The most important consideration in privacy preservation is to provide a correct balance among knowledge discovery and solitude protection. The widespread amount of individual data in which we followed by several commerce applications is mining using privacy preserving in current years. Solitude preservation is receiving more and more decisive for upcoming improvement. Data mining method with incredible potential right of entry to the datasets has personal, perceptive, or private information. The growing concern on privacy reveal is one more classes on data mining, identified by privacy preserving data mining, PPDM. PPDM algorithm is made up to conceal sensitive data by linking privacy defense mechanisms previous to executing data mining using algorithms. Literature survey. Depends upon item sets with more usefulness. Similar to profits-based data mining refers to a high transactional database. Vincent Estesen et al. Suggested two algorithms for the development of particular utility mining is upgrowth and upgrowth plus. The high utility item sets are a more victorious method for prune candidate item sets. 1. Sonal Tiwari et al. Recommended in his web mining solution for business application and intelligence to find out the unseen pattern in trade strategies for customers and data on the web. 2. Throughout surfing patterns, TSPs, offer by Yao Te Wang and Anthony J.T. Lieb show a well-organized move toward mining the pattern. The TSPs are extra communicative to appreciate the cause for all website visitors. 3. Problem definition. The mainstream of privacy-preserving data mining techniques applies changes which reduce the function of causal data when it applies to this data mining techniques or algorithms. Privacy concerns can keep away from the building of a central warehouse in dotted among more than a few places. No alone is permissible to transport their facts to added place 4. Then problems are how the results are securely gained in the preserving solitude of data, not with the results of data mining. The major areas on the research have emerged in privacy-preserving data mining because the aware information on the World Wide Web is broad proliferation. The expansion of privacy-preserving data mining is from privacy-preserving utility mining, and then the utilities are expressed in the terms from profits and quantities. Here the chapter presents a survey of up-to-date privacy-preserving utility mining. This concept particularly summarizes that both techniques in advance and algorithms are evaluating in privacy-preserving techniques. 6. The figure shows the classification of privacy-preserving utility mining algorithms, and it consists of several criteria that are techniques and data types. The first criterion is in the terms of techniques that consist of two main types. First is heuristic techniques as genetic algorithms to carry out the addition, modify and deletion of quantitative sequence database. 5. and second is pattern growth techniques based on this database of quantitative transaction database. All the algorithms are using to solve privacy-preserving utility mining problem S by the specific method of hiding every high-utility patterns, HUPs, that could be found on the innovative database for the given smallest usefulness threshold. Finally, the advisor can discover this pattern in the outcome from the sterile database, which is the worth of the identical parameter. Privacy-preserving utility mining is the most preferred active researcher topic as important due to preserving policy. In the quantitative database consist of the hiding-aware information S are appearing, so as it could not be discovered by utility pattern mining algorithm 7. Data can be derived by the unauthorized person as release publicly shared with their entities. The confidential level user information is making by privacy-preserving utility mining with Ensure. In real-time system analytical research on privacy-preserving utility mining consists of many algorithms so as to are extra developing for modifying the original database I.E. knowledge linger private and confidential data when the algorithms on data mining is applied 8. Explore opportunities and challenges. PPUM has several challenges in research that must be considered to the both advantage and disadvantages in designing algorithms to solve them perfectly as considered first. The algorithms might have good recital for the metrics in certain, but other limitations for additional metrics 9. This could be reaching the high recital for the most of certain metrics that could a task of proposing a approach in a non-trivial. Then finding the side belongings of algorithms with could be modifying the innovative database by cleansing as well as necessary. And the second challenge is for reminiscence with runtime, and also data shared should handle everyday process for several applications that could be designed for rate awake the process in sanitization 10. For the year-wise techniques of usefulness-based mining is proposed for research in recent and it could be for newcomers usage to utilize for performance in a better way. Conclusion. This research in privacy of preserving usefulness mining is the nearly everyone emerging theme in the data mining. The handling of this statistics mining is mostly hiding perceptive information, high utility patterns. Many approaches in privacy-preserving utility mining are surveyed about the technique and approach used for the database for the sensitive information S. Both algorithms are used to solve the privacy-preserve utility mining problem S, that is heuristic-based and pattern growth is mostly infrequent. This paper represents the key ideas about these algorithms are to be highlighted the handling of the metric. The research opportunities in this preserving utility mining are discussed so for and enhanced in future also for perceptive informations in the quantitative deal and quantitative series database.